Prynhawn da. Good afternoon. Croeso I Brifysgol Wrecsam ac I seremoni raddio y Brifysgol. Y bumed o 5 seremoni i'w chynnal dros 2 ddiwrnod. Welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony, the 5th of 5 ceremonies to be held here over 2 days. Mae yna 2 ran i'r seremoni y pnawn yma sy'n cael ei alw'n gynulliad y Brifysgol. Yn y rhan gyntaf, byddwn yn derbyn cymrawd anrhydeddus, unigolyn a ystyrir yn deilwng o'r anrhydedd yma. Yn ail hanner y seremoni, byddwn yn cyflwyno tystysgrifau, diplomau a graddau. The ceremony today is known as a congregation of the university, and it consists of 2 parts. In the first part, we will formally recognise an individual who has been awarded for an honorary fellowship. In the second part of the ceremony, we will be dedicating the time to the presentation of certificates, diplomas and degrees to our graduates. Mae seremoni heddiw yn achlysur ffurfiol I ddathlu eich cyflawniadau, felly gofynnwn yn garedig I bawb aros yn eiseddu os gwelwch yn dda. Today's ceremony is a formal occasion celebrating all your achievements. So we kindly ask everyone to remain seated and respectful throughout. Ac yn bod ni'n annog chi gadw lefel y sŵn I lawr, rydyn ni hefyd yn eich annog chi I gymeradwyo eich cyfoedion. Now, while we do ask you to keep the noise to a minimum, we do also encourage you to show your support by applauding your peers as their awards are presented here on stage this afternoon. And please follow the lead of our platform party in doing so. Felly, mae nawr yn bleser mawr gen I wahodd Dr Lee Griffin, cadeirydd Bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr I agor y seremoni y prynhawn yma. So it gives me great pleasure to call upon Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to formally open the ceremony today.
Prynhawn da, welcome. It's great to see so many of you here today. Welcome to this congregation of Wrexham University. We welcome a great mix of international and domestic students, colleagues, families and friends, and it is so good to thank you for joining us today. Today marks a formal celebration of your achievements, where we recognise certificates, diplomas, degrees earned and other matters concerning Wrexham University. So as authorised by the university, it gives me immense pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and to ask that the university proclamation be read. Diolch.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, dydd Mercher, y cyntaf o Ebrill 2026, yma yn Ninas Wrecsam. I dderbyn yn gymrawd anrhydeddus, unigolyn teilwng sydd trwy ei weithredoedd wedi profi ei hunan yn deilwng o barch yn y gymdeithas academaidd. Derbynir i'w gwobrau hefyd unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r Brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad, ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl, I wasanaethu ei hoes a'i cenedl dan fendith y nef. Yna, dy oleini a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch. Ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd. A rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffydd-leoedd. Y mae digonedd o air ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Confidence through education. Be it known to members of the university and to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University is being held here in the city of Wrexham on this day, Wednesday, the 1st of April, 2026, to receive as an honorary fellow a worthy person who, through his actions and deeds, has shown himself to be worthy of the respect of the academic community. In addition, those who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of university awards in accordance with the ordinances of the university will be admitted to their appropriate degrees, in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoi'r awdurdod i'r athro Joe Yates i dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol â rheolau'r Brifysgol. Let it be known to members of the university and to all who are present that the university has authorised Professor Joe Yates to admit to their degrees those students of Wrexham University who have obtained degrees in accordance with the university's regulations. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are shown in the printed lists that have been distributed today. Awn ymlaen rwan I gyflwyno y cymrawd Anrhydedd. We will now go on to present our honorary fellowship. Mae'n bleser gen I gyflwyno Bryn Williams yn gymrawd anrhydeddus Prifysgol Wrecsam yn ein seremoni heddiw. I'm delighted to present Bryn Williams for the award of honorary fellowship of Wrexham University at our ceremony today. Yn hannu o Ddinbych, datblygodd Bryn Williams werthfawrogiad cynnar am fwyd a'i darddiad. Mae ei yrfa wedi mynd ag ef I rai o geginau enwocaf Llundain. Hailing from Denbigh in North Wales, Bryn Williams developed an early appreciation of food and its origins. His career has taken him through some of London's most renowned kitchens, including roles under Marco Pierre White at the Criterion and Michael Roux at Le Gavroche, before serving 4 years as senior sous chef at the Orrery. Daeth Bryn yn gogydd a pherchenog o det yn Llundain yn 2008, gan arwain y bwyty nes iddo ei werthu yn 2024. Mae bellach yn bennaeth Porth Eirias, bwyty, caffi a bar ar lan y traeth ar arfordir Gogledd Cymru, sy'n cynnig lle bwyta modern, hamddenol, gyda golygfeydd arfordirol godidog ac yn arddangos cynnyrch Cymru ar ei orau. Bryn became chef patron of Odette's in London in 2008, leading the restaurant until its sale in 2024. He now heads Porth Eirias, a beachfront restaurant, cafe and bar on the North Wales coast, which offers a relaxed, modern dining with stunning coastal views and showcases the best of Welsh produce, sourced locally wherever possible. Mae ei waith rhyngwladol yn cynnwys agor bwyty yn the Cambrian Hotel yn y Swistir, ac yna y Touring Club yng Nghaerdydd. Mae Porth Eirias a'r Touring Club wedi derbyn y Michelin Bib Gourmand. His international work includes opening a restaurant at the Cambrian Hotel in the Swiss Alps, followed by the Touring Club in Cardiff in 2023. Both Porth Eirias and the Touring Club have been awarded the Michelin Bib Gourmand. Yn 2025, sefydlodd Bryn ei 5 bwyty yn Theatr Clwyd yng Ngogledd Cymru, gan barhau i hyrwyddo cynnyrch a choginio modern wedi harwain gan gynhwysion Cymreig. In 2025, Bryn launched his 5th restaurant at the iconic Theatr Clwyd in North Wales, continuing to champion local produce and modern ingredient-led cuisine. Mae Bryn wedi cyhoeddi 3 llyfr gan rannu'r hoff ryseitiau, ac mae wedi ymddangos yn eang ar y teledu a'r radio, gan ennill cydnabyddiaeth gyntaf ar Great British Menu, ble enillodd y rownd rhanbarthol 2 waith, a bu'n coginio yng ngwledd pen-blwydd y Frenhines yn 80 oed. Yn siaradwr Cymraeg, rhugl, mae wedi ymddangos yn helaeth ar S4C, a hefyd mi gafodd Bryn ei anrhydeddu gan Orsedd y Beirdd yn Eisteddfod Genedlaethol Cymru yn 2013 yn Ninbych. Bryn has published 3 books, sharing some of his favourite recipes, and has appeared widely on television and radio, first gaining recognition on BBC Two's Great British Menu, where he twice won the regional round and cooked for Queen Elizabeth's 80th birthday. A fluent Welsh speaker, and he has featured extensively on S4C. Bryn was also honoured by the Gorsedd of the Bards at the 2013 National Eisteddfod of Wales in his hometown of Denbigh. Mae Bryn wedi cefnogi'r brifysgol yma yn Wrecsam ers amser maith, ac mae'n bleser ei groesawu yma heddiw i dderbyn ein hanrhydedd uchaf. Mae'r gymradoriaeth hon yn cydnabod ei gyfraniad eithriadol i dwristiaeth a lletygarwch, yn hyrwyddo bwyd Cymru a dathlu cyfoeth ein trefdadaeth. Mae hefyd yn anrhydeddu'r ffaith gadarnhaol y mae wedi cael ar bobl Wrecsam, yn ysbrydoli ein cymuned, yn cefnogi cynhyrchwyr lleol ac yn hyrwyddo diwylliant Cymru. Bryn is a long-standing supporter of our university, and it is a genuine pleasure to welcome him here today, and the family, of course, to receive this honorary fellowship, the highest honour. This fellowship recognises his outstanding contribution to tourism and hospitality, promoting Welsh cuisine and celebrating the richness of our culinary heritage. It also honours the positive impact he has had on the people of Wrexham, inspiring our community, supporting local produce and championing Welsh culture. Is Ganghellor, Cyflwynaf I chi Bryn Williams, cymrawd o Brifysgol Wrecsam. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Bryn Williams, Fellow of Wrexham University.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Pnawn da, good afternoon. I'm truly honoured to be standing here today to receive this fellowship at Wrexham University. To be recognised in this way, especially in a region as close to my heart, North Wales, means more to me than I can put into words, but I will try. Growing up in North Wales, I never imagined my path would lead me here today, at university as a chef. Like many in this room, I started with a passion. Mine just happened to be food. The passion took me to local kitchens and some of the most dramatic culinary environments in the world, from London to New York to Paris. But no matter where I've been, I've always carried a piece of home with me. Its landscape, its people, and its incredible produce. To receive this honour from Wrexham University feels like a full circle. It's a reminder that success isn't about where you go, but it's about staying connected to where you've come from. To the students in the room today, whether you're studying hospitality, business, the arts, or anything else, remember, there's no single path to success. What matters is curiosity, hard work, and the courage to take a risk. So please, do not be afraid to take a risk, as some of the best lessons I've learned have come from the things that didn't go to plan. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody who supported me along the way. My wife Charlene and Misty, our daughter, for putting up with all the crazy hours, long nights, early mornings. Mum and Dad, the support from day one. I actually think driving me to London was a way of getting me out of the house, but thank you. My mentors, we all have mentors. So Alvin Thomas, my first ever job in Denbigh, Marco Pierre White, and Michel Roux Jr., and of course, my team. Without the team, none of this would have been possible. It's all about the team. As a chef, we are storytellers. Every dish carries a memory, a place, a moment in time. And I believe the story of Wales and its tradition of ingredients and identity and its language, it deserves to be shared far and wide. And if I played an even small part in that through the hospitality industry, I am truly incredibly proud. Diolch o galon, Prifysgol Wrecsam. Thank you, Wrexham University, for this tremendous honour. I will carry it with great pride. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Anrhydeddus Isganghellor. Rwy'n cyflwyno'r graddedigion yma o'r Ysgol Fusnes a Phartneriaethau Academaidd i chi ym Mhrifysgol Wrecsam yn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, rheoli busnes, baglor yn y gwyddorau anrhydedd, cyfrifeg a chyllid, LLB anrhydedd y gyfraith ac ymarfer cyfreithiol. Diploma ôl-raddedig rheoli busnes rhyngwladol, rheoli gwasanaethau iechyd rhyngwladol, rheoli marchnata rhyngwladol. Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present you the graduates of the Business School and Academic Partnerships at Wrexham University in the following disciplines. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Business Management, Bachelor of Science Honours, Accounting and Finance, LLB Honours, Law and Legal Practice, Postgraduate Diploma, International Business, Management, International Health Services Management, and International Marketing Management, and Master of Business Administration.
Thank you. Mohammed Moise Amin. Zain Ul Abedin. Tayyab Emir. Furkan Anwar. Mandeep Kaur. Mankaran Kaur. Mohammed Kaja Mohabbedin. Ali Sabir. Umar Shafiq. Ghulam Mohammed Abbas. Tusif Ahmed. MD Razib Hussain. Mohammed Ali. Waliat Ali. Zariab Ali. Hadir Nadeem Khan. Mohammed Amar Arif. Mohammed Usman Anwar. Hamza Ashad. Mohammed Awais. Daniel Ali Babar. Mohammed Umair Bashrat. Mohammed Numan Ashad. Kainat Imran. Mohammed Asad Ali. Ahmed Hamza. Ariba Dilawar. Morley Kagbo. Abdullah bin Khalid. Sadar Hassan Bilal Khan. Akshat Kumar. Anas Naveed. Oh, sorry, Anas. Anas Naveed. Akib Kayam. Mohammed Osman Raja. Mohammed Ali Rashid. Jasmine Sandberg. Farhad Siddiqui. Benjamin Trafford Arrive. Christabel Trafford Arrive. Sami Ullah. Sana Ullah. Najib O. Riman. Ali Zain. Hararia Zaman. Faraz Ahmed. Aliyah Avalwat. Mohammed Saklain Azam. Mohammed Mabin Hayat. Khadijatu Jalo. Mohammed Kazis Saraf. Mohammed Walid Khan. Osman Mazor. Fiza Mohammed. Harim Rof. Bianca Riley. Rana Mohammed Shabazz. Mohammed Saban. Hasib Ul Hassan. Mohammed Zisham. Sarah Patel. Hamid Ali. Mohammed Danish. Prugti Rohit Kumar Feta. Farhan Abdullah. Ali Gohar. Afnan Hadir. Nazilta Main. Daniela Leonise Mudamu. Tonya Niazi. Dini Perryman. Amita Sonko. Iona Kayabab. Mohammed Saim Tahir. Kira Imran Eve Wheaton. Mohammed Sufyan. Gagandeep Kaur. Jasleen Kaur. Sundeep Kaur. Manish Kumar. Jatin Singh. Tanya. Abhay Thapar. MD Majidul Islam. Sukhmanjeet Singh. Gurpal Singh.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei anerchiad. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give his address.
Bryn da, good afternoon, and croeso and welcome graduates, families, friends and colleagues. What a privilege it is to stand here in front of you all today as we celebrate this incredible milestone in your lives. Today is about you, your hard work, your perseverance and the bright futures that lie ahead. Graduation is a significant milestone and we are all incredibly proud of you. Graduation is more than just a ceremony though. It's a moment to reflect on how far you've come and to look ahead to the opportunities that await. Over your time here, you've gained more than just knowledge. You've built friendships, you've overcome challenges, and you've developed the skills and confidence that will carry you through to the next chapter of your lives, providing a strong platform for you to make a real impact in whatever you choose to do. You are graduates of the future. You are our future. The class here today are the engineers, the business leaders, the analysts of the future. Your university has a long history dating back to 1887 when the Wrexham School of Art and Science was established. We first started offering degrees in 1924 and achieved university status in 2008. We've come a long way since then, and we can all be proud of our league table ranking, which places us in the top 5 for the UK in terms of teaching quality. However, we never stand still. Wrexham University is evolving, just as you are developing. Our vision and strategy sets out our ambition to grow, to innovate, and to continue making a real difference to our students, our communities, and the world beyond. We've made a bold and unwavering commitment to those who live, study, and work in our communities, to work in partnership to improve the educational, economic, social, cultural, and environmental prosperity for all. This year, we've marked some milestones as we deliver our vision to be a world-leading modern civic university. We recently secured research degree awarding powers and announced the Wrexham Gateway, a £22 million, the single biggest capital investment in the university's history. In 25-26 also marks a significant year for us with the launch of the new Wrexham Business School, and I'm delighted that Dr. Ruth Slater, the first Dean of the Business School, is here with us today on stage. We've developed a transformed portfolio which builds on an excellent portfolio we've been delivering for many years, but this one is expanded with an expanded postgraduate offer. We are growing our research profile alongside record-breaking league table success. We've strengthened our international partnerships and remained sector-leading in terms of the EDI-led recruitment we've adopted within the university, fostering a diverse academic community that reflects the values of our university and the region. It's important for us to recognise, though, while strategies and buildings may change, the heart of Wrexham University remains the same. It's about people. It's about the incredible students, staff and graduates like you who bring it to life every single day. So you might be leaving our university, but you'll always be part of it, and you will always be part of our community. Wherever your journey takes you, whether it's to a new job, further study, or new adventures, know that you have a community here that believes in you and supports you. My wish for you is that throughout your lives and future careers, you keep the values of Wrexham University close. Excellence. Strive to always do your best, and whatever it is you're doing, aim to do it well. Inclusion. Always treat people with kindness, dignity and respect. Integrity is important. Never lose sight of it. Collaboration. We're better together. Collaboration and partnership unlock solutions. So take others' point of view on board and harness the strength of others. To share the wisdom of the African proverb, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Transformation. Our world is changing so quickly, and you, our most recent graduates, are on the crest of the wave, going out into your futures with the ability and the promise to change things for the better. Be ambassadors of change and always strive to make a positive difference. Sustainability. The earth is ours to inhabit for just a short time. Recognise that you all have a vital part to play in the world that you pass to future generations, and let that thought guide your decision-making. If you hold these values close, you won't go far wrong in your personal and professional lives. Finally, as your Vice-Chancellor, I want to say again about how proud we are of all of you. I also want you to know that you'll always be part of our university, and I invite you to join our Alumni Association so you can stay connected with us, your university. So head over to the careers and alumni stands in the marquee afterwards and find out more so you can stay connected. So finally from me, go forward with confidence, be bold, stay curious and never stop learning. Congratulations to you all. We couldn't be prouder of you. Thank you. Diolch.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr groesawu llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr Freya Groom I roi ei hanherchiad. I would now like to welcome the President of the Students' Union, Freya Groom, to give her address.
Pnawn da. Good afternoon, everybody. It is a privilege to stand before you today as President of Wrexham Students' Union to celebrate this extraordinary moment in your lives. Today is not just about receiving a degree, it represents years of dedication, perseverance, and personal growth that have brought you to this moment. Each of you has worked hard to reach this stage, and that achievement deserves to be recognised and celebrated. Whether you studied with us directly or with our partner institutions in different locations, you've all been part of the wider Wrexham University community. While your experiences took place in different classrooms and settings, you all share the same goal, the same determination to succeed, and the same pride in the degrees you receive today. Like all students, you have all faced challenges along the way. There will have been demanding assignments, busy schedules, and moments when deadlines have felt impossible. But there will also have been moments of achievement, of learning something new, and of realising just how far you have come. Today represents far more than academic success. It reflects your resilience, your commitment, and your determination to reach your goals. On behalf of all graduates, I would like to extend heartfelt thanks to your lecturers, tutors, and staff at your partner institutions and at Wrexham University, whose guidance and support have helped you along with your studies. And to the families, friends, and loved ones celebrating with you today, thank you for your encouragement, patience, and belief you've given these graduates along the way. Graduation is not an ending, but a beginning. The knowledge and skills you've developed will stay with you wherever your future takes you. Be proud of what you have achieved, celebrate this moment, and look ahead with confidence to everything that lies ahead. Thank you, and once again, congratulations.
a'n rhydeddus Isganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol yn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, rheoli busnes rhyngwladol a dadansoddeg data. Rheoli busnes rhyngwladol, rheoli gwasanaethau iechyd rhyngwladol, rheoli adnoddau dynol rhyngwladol, rheoli marchnata rhyngwladol rheolaeth. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees in the following disciplines. Master of Science, International Business and Data Analytics Management, International Business Management, International Health Services Management, International Human Resource Management, International Marketing Management and Management.
Abdul Mateen Badmus. MD Mayed Ahmed Chowdhury. Samesh Mamila Srinivas. Jerry Ojo. Nathaniel Nwosu. Ayadeji Rahman. Opeyemi Teru. Abhishek. Akila Nani. Samanth Pal. Diva Shri Yakula. Sabini Adhikari. Sumay Akhtar. Ashali Alawat. Faiz Ahmed. Mariam Akintoe. Nahid Ansari. Aniza Asif. Deepanshi Bardwaj. Dristi Chauhan. Jagmohan Kaujan. Varin Dawan. Samia Deba. Joshua Easy. Shalina Gopi Sathukamari. Sunny Jaswal.
Say something in the mic.
No. No.
That's for my mom, that's fine.
No, no.
She's in heaven, that's
Okay, no, you have to walk up. Okay. Jyoti Jindal. Arpit Damvia. Sonu Soli Kanrim Pokil. Daljit Kaur. Gurpreet Kaur. Gurveen Kaur. Gurwinder Kaur. Harmanpreet Kaur. Jagdeep Kaur. Jagdeep Kaur. Jaspreet Kaur. Jaspreet Kaur. Jobinpreet Kaur. Kamaljit Kaur. Kushkamal Kaur. Kushpreet Kaur. Kamalpreet Kaur. Lovepreet Kaur. Mandeep Kaur. Mandeep Kaur. Manjinder Kaur. Manpreet Kaur. Manpreet Kaur. Manpreet Kaur. Manpreet Kaur. Amandeep Kaur. Navdeep Kaur. Rajveer Kaur. Ramandeep Kaur. Ramandeep Kaur. Sandeep Kaur. Munveer Kaur. Devinder Kumar. Ashok Kumar. Sanjay Kumar. Ritika Kundal. Mandi Redwan Mani. Jessica Matthews. Ashutosh Muldar. Harsh Nehra. Godsent Nejamaz. Olafawemi Oguremi. Osagale Emmanuel Oni. Esther Demila Marinki Asabia. Abhay Partap. Shavinda Pithania. Lakshmi Rajadran. Kerna Rani. Abidime Razak. Prithi Sagar. Suliat Salako. Ankit Sharma. Karanjot Sharma. Sumanpreet Kaur Sidhu. Bunty Singh. Gurjit Singh. Baljinder Singh. Devinder Singh. Gurminder Singh. Gurpinder Singh. Gursuwak Singh. Harmandeep Singh. Harpreet Singh. Jaspal Singh. Jaswinder Singh. Jasanabdeep Singh. Mandeep Singh. Maninder Singh. Principal Singh. Suraj Singh. Tajinder Singh. Vatandeep Singh. Bava Singh. MD Kasur Ahmed Sohag. Aiditatun Somonu. Ashan Tariq. Princia Xavier Jayakumar. Mohid Wasim. Abhishek. Dilse Thankachan. Anjali. Devyu. Easam. Kirti. Komal. Manish. Mohit. Nima. Priyashu. Rival. Ritish. Saloni Rana. Shubham. Simran. Vidhi. Vikas. Naga Alapati. Shrianth Aravu. Vinay Kumar Shava. Bhuvani Doma Kununda. Venkata Diraj Kumar Duduku. Aisha Fatima. Varun Teja Gandasari. Sai Mukesh Jadiv Maluthu. Krish Mehta. Bhargav Mistry. Vipul Teju Pudra. Lohith Reddy Samidi. Sahithi Priyanka Sadabutala. Tarun Reddy Singareddy. Jagsir Singh. Vamshi Krishna Sumarathi. Jeevan Chowdhury Upaluru. Venkata Yambadala. Amanpreet. Finninfolu Arimu. Fida Hussain. Ashir Salim. Shrivadarin Sagar Khani. Aftab Hussain Malpara. Uvasaben Patel. Osita Owuha. Rajuan Buyan. MD Golam Kabira. Anena Chakrabarti. Daljit Kaur. Jake Pearson. Abhishek Deman. Mohammed Junad. Gaurav Sharma. Tulsika. Ficus. Tajib Sakir Adam Famat. Osman Hamid. Abhishek Sharma. Gitika. Abdullah Arshad. Kulveer Singh. Sukhjit Singh. Sukhveer Singh. Akshay Kumar. Harmanjot Singh. Mohammed Bilal Malik. Mohammed Wasim. Numan Ahmed.
So this is the most formal part of the ceremony. It's the point at which we confer the degrees or the other awards on you and you become graduates. At some of the older universities in England, this would be done in Latin. At the newer universities, it's done in English. Here in Wales, we do this in Welsh. So the orator will ask me to confirm the degrees and all their privileges on you, which I will do. She will then ask me to do the same for those who are not present today and are getting their degrees in absentia. May I therefore ask the graduands to please stand.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor, cymeradwyaf i chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny i'w gwobrau ac i holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi, derbyniaf chwi eich gwobrau ac i holl freintiau y gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor, cymeradwyaf i chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac i holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd i mi, derbyniaf y chrau a nodwyd o'n ei habsenoldeb i'w gwobrau ac i holl freintiau y gwobrau hyn. Congratulations, you are now graduates of Wrexham University.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd Dr Lee Griffin, cadeirydd Bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr, i gau'r cynulliad y pnawn yma. I would now like to invite Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors, to close the ceremony.
How are you doing? Good stuff. Good up in the balcony? Ooh, we're almost there. We're almost there. The granting of an academic award brings with it privileges and responsibilities, and through your hard work and your diligence and the support of colleagues, families and friends, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. And I'd like to add my personal congratulations to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. Well done, each and every one of you. Ahead of you, you'll have challenges, you'll have opportunities. You can and you will change lives. Throughout, be kind. Be kind to others, but be kind to yourself, and always seek to understand. And with those thoughts, I am delighted to formally close this congregation of Wrexham University. Diolch.
Wel, gyfeillion, dyna ni ddiwedd y seremoni heddiw, cynhelir cynulliad nesaf y Brifysgol yn mis Hydref 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this afternoon's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will take place in October 2026. Felly, gai ofyn I bawb I sefyll ac aros ar eich traed hyd nesur o'r ymdaith brosesu allan ar graddedigion, os gwelwch yn dda. So, may I ask those who are able to stand to please do so and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, have left the hall. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.
Thank you.